Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter of Vistas class 12th, which is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? This chapter is very much important for your pre-board point of view and board's point of view. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So students, without wasting our time, let's start the video. So students, firstly we are going to start this chapter with a little introduction, and afterwards I will make this chapter understand to you all. Now, here the chapter begins. Should wizards hit mommy? Summary will help you learn about the chapter easily. As we all know that little children absolutely love to hear stories during bedtime from adults. Moreover, the stories they hear are also fables and carry no logic. Further, to put kids to bed, the parents also make up stories to make them sleep. However, for the little ones, they are not made up but very much true. Means sometimes children need to sleep and parents make fake stories to make them sleep. Now, here you are going to learn some of the stories which affect the child growing up, and they start questioning things. Thus, when they start growing older, they need to know about the reason behind why things happen and how. Similarly, parents sometimes discourage such question, but it is the child growing up and they start questioning things. Thus, when they are growing elder, they need to know about the reason behind why things happen and how. Similarly, the parents sometimes discourage such question. Means when the child asks to their parents that earlier you taught me that this thing and you said this thing to me, then mama, why this thing happened at that time? Can you tell me? Then at that time, parents discourage such type of questions. But it is appropriate to act in such way. This is exactly what the story will tell us. It raises a moral issue which the reader at the end may decide for themselves. Okay. So we are going to start this chapter. Introduction is already given to you all. So students, we are going to start this chapter from here. The story begins by telling us about Jack has two little kids. The kids are Joe and Bobby. Means Jack is the name of a parent. He has two little kids. What was the name of the kids? Joe and Bobby. Joe's wife Claire. What was the name of wife of Joe? Joe's wife name is Claire. Was pregnant with the third one. Thus, to put her daughter to bed, Jack would make up stories for her daughter. This storytelling tradition started when Joe was 2 years old and thus continued ever since. Jack makes sure that he tells a different story every time. However, small creature was always common. Roger. For instance, it was either Roger fish or Roger chipmunk. Roger goes to wise old owl with problems that would send him to a wizard. Thus, the wizard spell would solve the problem after payment of pennies. Now that Joe is growing up, it is a great getting difficult to put her to bed for the nap time in afternoons. Means what happened when the kid is a little bit small, then parents make stories and make them sleep. Then when the child starts growing, they ask question and they were not easily to understand. They doesn't believe such of this story. They ask a question that why mama, why papa, you have told me this thing, why this thing has happened at that time. So I hope you are understanding. Thus one day Jack decides to tell her a story about Roger's skunk. In this story, there is a little skunk that always smelt very bad. It is so bad that no animals play with him and is always alone. Thus, Roger Skunk decides to go to the wise old owl. As usual, the owl sends him to the wizard. The wizard, with help speaks, asks Roger Skunk about her wish. He expresses his wish to smell like roses, to which the wizard agrees. After that, all the animals start playing with the skunk and he plays till it gets dark. Finally, Roger Skunk goes home to his mommy. Right? Joe thinks that this story is over when Jack continues. Now, After reaching home, the mommy notices the awful smell and asks Roger who did this. Roger Skunk tells her that he did not like the way he smelled, so he asked the wizards to help him. Smells him. Like Rose, he infuriates the mother and tells him to accept himself for what he is. She goes to the wizard all angry and asks him to return the skunk smell after hitting him. Now, thus the wizard reverses his smell and Roger Skunk is back to smelting like he did before. However, this new ending does not please his Joe. She asked Jack to change it to the wizards hitting the mommy back. Jack did not like the protest and Joe kept insisting to change the ending tomorrow when he comes to with another story. She does not listen and follows Jack back downstairs, but now Jack is infuriated and threatened to give her a beating. Now, she goes back disappointed and Jack sits with his wife in the quinine. Now, students, here this chapter ends, and now we are going to learn what is the conclusion of Should Wizards Hit Mommy? Now, conclusion is very much important for your examination because for 5 marks question it may be asked to you what you have learned to the chapter Should Wizards Hit Mommy. What is the conclusion of Should Wizards Hit Mommy? So you must learn this. Let's come and learn it. To sum up, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Summary: we learn about the moral quandary parents often face when the children start growing up and thinking independently on it. Help us get a glimpse into their innocent mind and adultery over it. Okay, student, these lines are very much important. You may also pause this video and note down because this is very much important for your board examination. Okay, so with students, all the videos related to Vistas and Flamingo are uploaded to our channel. You can watch all the videos as your convenience, and you can also watch the grammar portion as well as the writing portion which has already uploaded to our channel. If you want the link, I can provide you in the description box from where you can watch those videos. So students, thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Have a great day and best of luck for your board examination.